How to get 90% off Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. This is the genuine website. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 10% off, $20 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account. Browse through the menu and select the items that you want to order. Proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. As in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for Uber Eats. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to 90% off Uber Eats coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.